Another day of shopping at the Pokémon Center at Pokémon World Championships 2024 in Honolulu. This time we went when we had a 9:30 a.m. reservation. We thought we wouldn't have to wait that long this time as we had a 9:30 a.m. reservation and the Pokémon Center opened at 9 a.m. We even got into the parking lot at 9:25 a.m. and expected to be there on time, but we had to wait until 11 a.m. for some unknown reason. To distract ourselves from that stupidly long wait, we did play Pokemon Go along with other trainers, and we did get a couple new shinies like these shiny flowers. It took so long we even had a bathroom break and saw the concourse was filled with trainers from around the world. We finally got into the Pokemon Center at 11 a.m., which was an hour and a half past our appointment time and 2 hours since we started lining up. As we came earlier this time, there was more of the Pokemon Championship 2024 merchandise inside the Pokemon Center. The front had the Pikachu plushies wearing the snorkeling outfit. We were a bit worried when we got in as we only saw Pikachu and thought all the other plushies had sold out. Here are Hawaii-themed Pikachus, which was sold out on the Pokemon Center online store. The big fan favorite this time was this cute snorkeling Riolu plush. Here's Azumarill wearing a flower in front of its right ear. Did you know in Hawaii if you wear a flower on your right side that means you're single? More Pikachu plushies. While there's still lots of bento boxes still, we did see the insulated bottle which was new to us. There was a bento box out on display and when I touched it, it had a nice silicone feel, had a good heft to it, and felt pretty durable. The sculpted picture frame is pretty nice. Check out this cute and big cooler bag. Beside the pineapples, I love the Pokemon art on it. It can hold lots of food too and keep it cold. Once again, you'll find the poor sobbing Sobble sobbing over something else, this time fallen shaved ice. I noticed they revised the signs that now say limit 1 per customer versus what it was before. I wish they had this limit amount on the first day when we went, as it would have prevented a lot of scalpers from picking up a bunch of them to resell for marked up prices. It also prevented other trainers from buying the merchandise they wanted as it was sold out so quickly. It's unfortunate as a lot of trainers only had 1 day at the Pokemon Center and it was all sold out by the time they got there. Here's a nice panoramic view of the SSN as not many people are lined up for the express line, so we were able to get this shot. To see more merchandise from the Pokemon Center, check out our previously uploaded video. This video is to show you all the exclusive merchandise we were not able to show you previously because it was sold out by the time we got there. To get to Trainer Village at Hilton Hawaiian Village, you could take the free direct trolley at the front of the convention center. Here's a trolley leaving from the Hilton Hawaiian Village going back to the convention center. The truck you see ahead was blocking our trolley from easily going inside to the parking area. The amazing trolley driver was able to successfully get past the truck, just inches away from hitting it. This ABC store in Hilton Hawaiian Village got creative and was decorated in Pokemon theme. You'll see ABC stores all around Waikiki, but you definitely won't see one with a Pokemon theme. Hope you enjoyed this video so far and please subscribe if you did. Thank you! The main reason for us to go back to Trainer Village was to see the cute Pokemon mascots as we had missed out on them the first time. As you can see, they're the Paldea starters, Sprigatito, Fuecoco, and Quaxley. What you're hearing in the background is actually a live TCG game being played at the convention center being streamed to the Trainer Village. They just haven't turned off the audio yet for the event. We got our pictures taken with the starters and it was so fun to see them in person. It was a hot day, so I commend the people in the costume, as it was probably sweltering hot, for making everyone happy at the village seeing them. There was a small ecosystem on display which I had not seen last time with a bunch of small plushies inside. Aw, the poor muck fell over. There was also face painting where you could get your face painted with Pokemon on it. Besides Pokemon, you can also get Hawaiian themed face painting as well. Check out our previously uploaded video for more activities at the Trainer Village, like the stamp rally.
Pokemon scavenger hunt. So there's 4 stations. This is the Great Line where we are now. There's 2 out to the sidewalk back behind the stage. There's 1 out to this sidewalk back by check-in. Once you get all 4 stamps, you'll bring it back here for your prize.
As well as awesome photo spots and more. The Hilton Hawaiian Village check-in area also had a bunch of Pokemon decorations all around it. We were about to leave Trainer Village when we heard Eevee and Pikachu had come out for pictures. We didn't expect them until later in the day and were surprised to see them, which was great for us. One of the activities at the Village Green area was to learn how to dance the hula if you were interested. Lots of fun activities for trainers of all ages. There was a couple photo spots like this Pop Games Pikachu display if you wanted to take your picture with it. Here's another Where's the Eevee game? Where's Eevee? We were done for the day, so we took the trolley back to the convention center from Hilton Hawaiian Village. Well, it was a fun but exhausting day at the Pokemon World Championships 2024 in Honolulu. Were you able to go? Did you get a badge for the spectator events or even going into the Pokémon Center for shopping? Let us know in the comments. I would love to have that giant inflatable Pikachu at my home, wouldn't you? Hope you enjoyed this video, trainers, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look forward to more Pokemon videos from us in the future. Until next time, see ya!